Hey gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel. This is Xandra, and kung bago ko pa lang dito sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the notification bell down below for more updates. It's been 2 weeks since wala akong upload na video dito sa aking YouTube channel, and for this video, it's another makeup review, and by this time, this is not a local makeup brand review because it's an international makeup brand that I'm going to review, and it's a Korean brand. And this brand is Forencos. They're now here in the Philippines. You can visit their Instagram account, forencos_Philippines. You can shop on their Shopee account. Just type forencos_Philippines, and I will also put the links below the description box. Upon checking their Instagram account ng Forencos, na I thought that their models were all Koreans, but yung mga models nila were all French. Forencos sent me 2 of their makeup products, and it's the Tattoo Clear Velvet Tint and the Eyebrow Tattoo Precision Pen in the shade Ash Brown. Aside dito sa dalawang products na pinadala nila sa akin, they also have different products. Meron din silang Tattoo All-Proof Eyeliner Liquid. They also have Lip Tattoo Glass Tint Lip Tint. They also have the Tattoo All-Proof Mascara. Meron din silang Scar Concealer. So, yun pa lang yung available na products dito sa Philippines, and when you check the official account of Forencos, meron din silang mga cushion, meron din silang eyeshadow. So yan, sana maglabas din yung Forencos Philippines ng ganung products. Lahat ng products nila merong title, merong name na tattoo. So, nag-e-expect ako na lahat ng makeup products na meron sila, and also, especially yung products na sinend nila sa akin, were all long-lasting. So, without further ado guys, keep on watching and let's get started. thoughts about these Forencos cosmetics that I have tried. First, the Forencos Eyebrow Tattoo Precision Pen in the shade Ash Brown. By the way guys, all their products were pricey, and as you can see, pag chinek nyo yung Shopee account nila, makikita nyo na prices range for 592 pesos to 875 pesos. So, yun lang naman, doon lang naman naglalaro yung kanilang price. Itong Eyebrow Tattoo Precision Pen nila, it costs 875 pesos on Shopee. And I can say it's really pricey for me. Unahin na natin sa pros. For the pros, it's very pigmented. As you can see guys, sa aking wear test, and upon trying it, it's really pigmented and it's long lasting. Yes, it's really long lasting kasi I took a bath before I filmed this video, and then meron pa rin siya sa aking kilay. It's waterproof. Nakita nyo naman sa previous video na meron pa rin naiiwang stain. And yon, it's smudge proof, yes. It's what I like about this eyebrow tattoo pen na meron sila. It has a micro fork tip applicator that makes the stroke looks more natural. But yun lang, ang cons na, yun nga, pricey siya. It costs 875 pesos. I think marami pa tayong eyebrow pen in the market na pwede nyong bilhin na mas mababa dito sa Forencos. But, itong Forencos pa lang kasi ang natatry ko na tattoo eyebrow pen. They claim that this eyebrow tattoo pen, they can last up to 7 days. So, siguro pag hindi ka maliligo, kung hindi ka magugas talaga ng mukha mo, talagang hindi siya matatanggal within 7 days. Just be careful when applying this eyebrow tattoo pen. Kasi, syempre, sino ba naman may gusto ng sobrang kapal ng kilay, diba? So, pag nilagay nyo to, be careful when applying it. Kasi, syempre, pen siya. So, once na nalagay nyo na siya ng makapal, mahihirapan na kayo matanggal knowing na it's an eyebrow tattoo pen. Nakita nyo naman dun sa video ko, upon applying this, light strokes lang yung nilalagay ko. So, be careful guys. I can suggest this eyebrow tattoo pen ng Forencos to those who have thinner brows, or also kung gusto nyo ma-achieve yung microbladed na eyebrows. And let's go to the Tattoo Clear Velvet Tint ng Forencos, and I have here, they sent me the shades niya kasi ito na lang yung available na shades, and dapat ang gusto kong shade yun nandun sa shade ng matte tattoo tint nila, but sold out na daw kasi yung matte tattoo tint nila. So, ito na lang yung product na napili kong shade. When buying through online, i-consider nyo din yung skin tone nyo. Syempre, it's risky to buy online. Hindi lahat ng shades na available online ay yung kanilang color payoff na ipinapakita. So, upon seeing this niya sa color ng meron sila sa Shopee, dun sa shade na meron sila, it's quite different. So, pero buti na lang, kinonsider ko na sabi ko, ay morena, so hindi bagay sa akin yung ganitong kulay, or itong shade na to, bagay sa akin to. Ayun na lang, itong Xenia na lang yung pinili ko. Hindi naman ako nagkamali kasi kahit medyo quite different siya dun sa color, I like this color. It's kind of subtle pink. The shade is wearable kahit anong look na gawin ko, or kahit just a simple look like this, wearable siyang shade na to. Let's talk about the packaging. Okay, medyo nakaka-disguise siya. Itong kanilang packaging, from the outside packaging, it looks like a bullet lipstick. But, when you open it, it has a doe foot applicator na pang liquid lipstick talaga. Yung kanilang doe foot applicator, it's very common, but the whole packaging is really elegant, it's really classy. It says here it contains 4 grams. By the way guys, itong kanilang Tattoo Clear Velvet Tint, it costs 592 pesos on Shopee. So, para sa akin, yung 592 pesos na yun, worth it na yun para sa ganitong 4 grams na laman. And, once you smell this velvet tint, ang bango niya, alam mo yung parang it's kinda grape juice, parang ganun. Grape juice na matamis. Ganun yung scent niya. Claim itong Tattoo Clear Velvet Tint ng Forencos na your lips but better. So, parang it reminds me of Sunny's Face lipstick. But yes, it's lightweight, just like Sunny's Face. It's soft, it's comfortable, and yeah, it's weightless all day. Tama talaga, it's lightweight. What I love about this velvet tint, you can wear it in 2 ways. You can wear it as a glossy lippy, or a matte lippy. Kung gusto mo ng glossy lippy, hindi mo na kailangan i-blot sa tissue paper yung lips mo. But if you want a matte finished or a diffused finish nitong velvet tint, you can blot it on a tissue paper. Long-lasting stain without that lip sticky look. About this lip sticky look, pagka glossy yung gusto nyo na finish nitong velvet tint, it's kind of sticky. It's kind of sticky. Yes, I'll be honest with this. It's kind of sticky. And nung uminom ako ng water kanina and kumain ako ng lunch kanina, it's not transfer proof. It will make your lips hydrated. Yes, it's not drying. Promise, it's not drying. And knowing na dry yung lips ko, hindi siya nag-a-add ng dryness sa lips ko. And sobrang lambot niya, sobrang comfortable niya gamitin. Parang wala akong lipstick na nakalagay dito sa aking lips. Lalo na kapag binlat nyo siya with a tissue paper, para talagang wala akong lipstick na suot. Pero kapag gusto nyo ng glossy one, na finish na nitong velvet tint na to, syempre maramdaman nyo na meron pa rin kayong lip product. Pero, it looks like you only have a lip balm on your lips. Pero, overall, it's lightweight, it's soft, it makes my lips softer, it's very comfortable to wear, it's wearable. It's also waterproof. As you can see dun sa previous video ko kasama nung eyebrow tattoo pen, dun sa waterproof test na ginawa ko, it's really waterproof. And when it comes to long-lasting, guys, I can say na, syempre, kumain ako, uminom ako ng tubig, and all. No-wash away din naman siya. Hindi siya yung talagang lip product na kahit anong gawin mo, hindi siya matatanggal. But, the stain will be there. And, ito yung na-discover ko. Dito sa velvet tint na to, kaya feeling ko kaya may tint itong velvet tint na to. Na once na ma-wash away na itong product sa lips mo, it will really leave a tint on your lips. So, it's a good one for me kasi whenever kapag halimbawa nasa event ka or kung gusto mo pang mahaba ang araw na ayaw mo na mag-retouch, meron ka pa rin tint na maiiwan sa lips mo kahit anong gawin mo, kahit mag-toothbrush ka, kumain ka, uminom ka ng tubig, meron pa rin tint na maiiwan. And I'm happy what I have discovered about this velvet tint. Parang lip tint na siya after ma-wash away nitong product na to, hindi siya nakaka-dry ng lips. Knowing na dry yung lips ko. Cons niya, it's not transfer proof because it leaves stain on the glass. When it comes to being kiss proof, magiging kiss proof lang siya kapag binlat mo siya ng tissue paper. Pero if you want a glossy one, syempre maglilive siya ng stain sa skin nyo kapag tinry nyo yung pagiging kiss proof niya. For the price of 592 pesos, you should give it a try. And guys, it's an investment lip product if you want to try this brand. Masasabi ko naman dito sa kanilang eyebrow tattoo pen. Marami pang other products in the market na pang-kilay dyan. But if you really wanna try a tattoo eyebrow pen or a microbladed look, eyebrows, I think you should give it a try too. Yun nga lang, pricey lang talaga siya, guys. But it's really a good one. Overall, guys, I can say that Forencos is really a high-quality makeup product, knowing that it's an international makeup product, and I suggest to give it a try as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and click the notification bell down below for more updates. Once again, this is Xandra. Stay safe, and God bless you. Bye!